drop this gate real quick. Alright. Going. Right there. Perfect. Oh, it dropped. There's probably like 15 swarming around
in there. Yeah, we're gonna let that calm down for a second before we walk over there.
In Florida, you got dirt daubers and freaking hornets.
And snakes in this tall grass.
Yeah, he's over here wearing Crocs.
Yeah. Alright, just got back to Jonathan's. As you can see, we already got the red bed off. We're clearly putting the white bed we just took off of his old truck onto the newer white truck. So we were going to put the red bed on the first gen or the dually, but they're both long wheelbase. So we're about to pull this one off. We're going to lay the bed on the floor, and then we'll go ahead and pull this truck around to the trailer and put the new bed on.
Even if I wanted a new bed for this thing, this one's even a long bed. So this is the only short bed that I have, so this bed won't fit on literally anything. So.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and pull the truck out, and we'll lay this bed down. That way the wind doesn't knock it over. His neighbor has a tractor, so we're gonna use a tractor to go actually put the bed back on another truck just for the time being.
He actually helped me put this on originally after we did the cab swap.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he helped me put this bed back on with his tractor.
Oh, nice.
Now the goose egg ain't lined up.
kind of making a boo-boo putting this thing on. I kept going off the gooseneck ball trying to line it up, but obviously, as you can see, it's a little bit off. And these tires stick out so far that they're hitting my legs, so it's kind of a obstacle to get over, but she's lined up. It's looking good. Now we just gotta bolt it together. We did forget to grab the little plastic piece that goes around the filler neck on the old bed. Well, I say old bed, current bed. We just forgot to grab it off the other filler neck. So I'll have to pick one of those up at a junkyard. Yeah, that junkyard we go to for Dodge parts, literally any Dodge part we grab, the dude just says have it. So we'll probably get it for free. If he says free, I'll throw him like $5 for it. Yeah, we'll have to swing by there sometime soon. A couple things I need as well. One thing I think this probably wasn't from us. It was probably from when Chase took the axle out from here and they just put wheels to hold this thing up. This got bended just a tiny bit. Oh yeah. So I'll have to bend that out just a tiny bit. Because they had a wheel literally right here. And I had to like reach my arm up past it to get the bed bolt out. Right. But other than that, this bed, the only damage is this tiny little dent right there. And then obviously the rock chips from having wides. But this bed, never had any issues, no rust on it. Bed liner got kind of messed up. That's probably from us today. Yeah, that's probably from us. We can always fix that. But yeah, this bed has always been super straight, and right here, obviously. I think I showed that in like one of my first ever YouTube videos on this truck, was the damage right here. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, this is actually the bed off his original 2500, so it's kind of cool to have that back in our possession. Slides in on this side first. On this side first? Yeah. I haven't put a tailgate on it forever. And then it's gonna have to come down probably at like a 45-degree angle to fit that other side in. You got that side? Tilt it down more. There you go. Drop it down. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the bed on. He's gonna do a little pressure washing tomorrow. Got the tail lights in. He's got the rear bumper on still, but it's looking good. Got the tailgate on, as you guys just seen. Oh, man, this truck is coming along. Still a little ways to go, but it is getting there. But seeing that it went from red and blue cab to this. Yeah, that's pretty wild. And you guys, this is the same truck, if you guys didn't know, that we put that aluminum dash in. So we've been doing a lot of progress to it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video out here, guys. Just kind of quick little vlog type video. If you guys want to see the full progress, Jonathan's gonna be posting a video on it later on. Let us know what you guys think of putting the white bed on here versus the red bed, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.